Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm super excited because our shopping episode for today, we are going to go back to the Fendi Flagship store at Greenbelt. So, if you want to see a very beautiful bag, their new collection, new accessories, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Romerofy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. There's also Fendi, so FENDACE, so we haven't seen this in stores here in Manila yet. Later, let's check maybe if they have new bags at store. So hope you enjoy this episode. Alright, so finally FENDACE has already landed in the Philippines, so I'm excited to see what they have in store for us. Let's check out the window display first. So we are at the menswear at Fendi. So some ready to wear. We have some Peekaboo here. OMG, I'm so in love with this metallic gold Fendi Peekaboo here. And then we also have this FENDACE dress. What do you think? I always love how they display their selection inside Fendi store. It looks so chic and very elegant. This is the FENDACE store. Unfortunately, guys, only few landed here in Manila, and they say most of the bags have already been sold out. So right now we are at the menswear leather goods. We have some ready to wear here. So we have some sandals. We have some accessories. And more Fendi bags for you. Guys, OMG, this is love. Sequined Fendi First Bag, super gorgeous. And of course, this metallic Fendi First. Love, OMG. What do you think, guys? Which is better? The metallic or the sequin one? Here we have another sequin Fendi First Bag. So gorgeous, right? Now we're at Fendi Baguette Heaven. So we have here the mini and the medium size. Some Fendi monogram here. Then we have the Peekaboo and the Fendi Montresor bags. Hopefully the name is right. So let us take a closer inspection of this very beautiful and chic FENDACE dress. Love the combination of the Fendi monogram and the opulence of the Versace Baroque print. What do you think, guys, of the FENDACE collection? Here we have some Fendi First Bag in the very beautiful red color. We have some ready to wear. Cutie micro bag selection for you guys. What do you think of these beautiful bags here? Are you a fan of micro bags, guys? Please comment down below. Some costume jewelries. Here we have some more Fendi eye candies for you. We have here
Fendi By The Way bag. Have you seen the new version of this one where they have changed the handle, combining the handle of the Fendi Sunshine Tote and the By The Way bag? Unfortunately, there's none in the stores yet. So more Fendi eye candies we have here in By The Way bags. What do you think of this bag, guys? Is it a go or a no? So we have here the Fendi Micro Baguette wall, super gorgeous. Definitely the second one is my favorite. How about you guys? Please let me know and comment down below. Gorgeous Fendi Baguette pieces. This one, the gold just really gets me. More Fendi eye candies for you. What do you think, guys, of the coming trend of the luxury water bottle? Is it a go or a no? We have here some Fendi monogram ready to wear, super gorgeous. What do you think? Which one is your favorite? Mine would be this jacket here up front. More Fendi baguettes and this fur monogram. I think the material is mink if I'm not mistaken. We have here the canvas Fendi baguette both in medium and mini size. More monogram ready to wear for you. More ready to wear and a little bit of Fendace skirt. We have here some jackets. We have here some shirt. I'm not a fan of this Fendi shirt. I am not really sure what's going on with the print. We have here some more monogram. Such cutie pie in this section over here. So we have micro bags, we have scarves, we have costume jewelries, we have sunnies, we have sunshine totes, we have belts and scarves. Some more beautiful Fendi costume jewelries for you. So I believe these are rings. We have here bracelets. I'm not sure if these are rings or earrings. We have here scrunchies, luxury scrunchies. More beautiful Fendi First in this beautiful pink sequin material. Some ready to wear here. And more of peekaboos on this side of the wall.
Hi guys, so we have just passed by Fendi. Unfortunately, they have very few selection of Fendace. It's almost sold out. I wasn't able to take video. I'm so sorry guys, but I'll try to check if I could slip in some. But the C is very kind. So he said I gave him my number. He said that there will be a second batch that may be coming but still not guaranteed. Still hope you enjoy our episode. There, how did you like our episode for today? OMG guys, those beautiful Fendi First, right? In those sequin material, in those beautiful and scrumptious gold leather. OMG. Plus guys, when we have visited the store, I think it was already 2 to 3 weeks after the launch of Fendace. Unfortunately, they only have a very few and tiny selection of Fendace pieces. For bags, they only have, I think, the toiletry bag, and that is not on my wish list for this collection. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to show more for you guys. And also, I'm a little bit holding back. As you know, in a couple of weeks time, Fendi would be celebrating Fendi Baguette's 25th anniversary, so I would be waiting for the new collection of their latest Fendi Baguette. So guys, among the pieces that I've shown you for today, which one is your favorite? Please do let me know and kindly comment down below. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's shopping episode, guys. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!